Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to embed video on Twitter. First of all, you need to find a video on your Twitter post and then, for example this one, and go on the share button on your right side and go on copy link. After that, you should open a browser, for example Chrome or Opera, it doesn't matter what it is. Go and paste it here. Now it will appear the video, and you should go on the right upper side on the three dots line and then go and tweet. Now guys, you have a code and you need to copy this code, and then you need to go again on your profile and go for a tweet, paste it. Now as you can see, there is a big text, but you should go and select it, just the main one. Now what you need to do is to go on this side and basically you can delete all of this. Go right to this, and before that you can go and say, for example, hello. Go on tweet, your tweet was sent, go on it. And now guys, as you can see, you know how to embed video on Twitter. Thanks for watching guys, thanks again, and don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and see you soon.